Alright, good morning YouTube. You can see that this is my campsite. I have a lapel mic today. This was a secret Santa gift from Tyler Bays. You can go check out his artwork. Not that he's got a YouTube or anything. But, you know, welcome to the journey. So this is on the road to Florida, part 1 or 2, I guess. This thing is just a tank. This thing did a great job. This also did good. And myself a nice little fire. I slept nicely, and you know, it's a little nest in there. Anyway, I am going to start loading up this thing, and we're gonna make our way up the mountain. This mount had handlebars in mind, not roll cage, so the diameter is a bit thick. That's why I needed a zip tie. And then I guess this is where she go. I do think it's on, and I would like some shifter action. I'm gonna have to mess with it. I think this counts as a cold start. All right, I love this damn thing. It's not this condensation, bro. We ain't on diesel. We ain't no diesel boss. Just a couple of them boss. Just wanted to give an idea of the editing studio right now. Sonny boy. All right, well, we're in Virginia. The 10th state. Virginia calls herself the mother of presidents and the mother of the states. And she's not exaggerating. George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, James Monroe, Hamilton Henry Harrison, John Tyler, Zachary Tyler, and Woodrow Wilson were all born in Virginia. And the Revolution ended with the Lords Cornwallis surrender to the Yorktown Virginians. James Madison wrote the U.S. Constitution, and George Mason lobbied successfully in the inclusion of the Bill of Rights, and barely scratches the surface of Virginia's significance in the story of America. And that is absolutely what Virginia is like. I will be doing that today. The Appalachian Trail, yep, that is Skyline Drive in Virginia, in Shenandoah. Virginia falls into 3 distinct geographical locations: the low-lying tidewater regions, where the Potomac, Rappahannock, York, and James rivers flow into the Chesapeake Bay; the less rolling Piedmont region, and sustains most of Virginia's agriculture in the Blue Ridge and Shenandoah region, an area of sublime mountain scenery. I wanted to say serenity because that's really what it is, and that's what we're taking there today, dude. I'm pumped. Well, dairy products, poultry, hogs, wheat, peanuts are among the state's most important agricultural products. You know, they don't mention tobacco, and I personally think that Virginia has the highest output of tobacco next to North Carolina. Could be wrong, but that's always what I thought. All right, let's finish up. Let's get out of here. All right, all loaded up and everything's good to go. I'm gonna get on the road, and we leave the truck and sit here, and I'm gonna go camping up top. All right, we're in the GT6, and we're just starting our adventure. Time to go. Gotta get that 93, and you know, that backsplash with that Triumph every time. Alright, I know this car, you can hear me. So, all the campgrounds on the mountain are closed, and from mile marker 5 to 25, they're actually closed due to ice. So I left the mountain, I went all the way around, and now we're just approaching the 25 mile marker entrance to Woo! Man, is it cold. The wind up here is something else. If you can't tell, I was just doing my e-brake slides. I've never actually done that in this car, and that was a lot of fun. Ugh, these guys are slow, and I'm behind them again. I love you, Jake! I'm so happy. These turns are so much fun. Everything is fun. Everything. I've never been here this time of year. That frost is cool. Just a little more sightseeing in my bubble. Oh, look, I left my blinker on. Well, we made it to the top. Big meadows. Honestly, this car did so well, we now need to find a bigger mountain. I want to climb something taller. Maybe I'll compete in a hill climb and not win, but that'd be fucking cool. How long ago could I have rolled through here before? 40 minutes ago, tops? The frost just came in. Everything is white now. That's amazing. It just like happened in the last 30 minutes. Woohoo! That was a seriously successful journey today. Even though I'm not camping at the top of the mountain, at least it's like 15 degrees warmer here, man. Oh my God, it must have been like 25 up there. It seems like it's at least 40. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and next video you'll see. But once again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, get at me. Peace out.